guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy, if you don't know me, and how's it going? I hope you're well. In this video, you'll notice, like all videos, I was using my Freckles Cosmetics brushes. I've noticed that a lot of the feedback on the brushes is that the price point seems high. If you break it down, it's not really that high, but something that adds a lot to the cost is shipping, especially if you're international. So, starting on Monday, September 3rd, if you spend more than $80 on the Freckles website, you get free shipping, even international free shipping. So that takes off a lot of the cost. There's also things like Afterpay, which means you don't have to pay the full amount. So check it out. The links are below if you want some beautiful vegan cruelty-free brushes. Yeah, thank you guys so much for your support and for always sticking around even when I'm not around because life happens. I just really love you guys. I'm not really sure what this look is. It's just a quick look. It's been kind of my go-to. These lashes though, and this glow, you'll have to stay tuned to see what the glow is. So stay tuned. I thought to myself, don't pick at your skin right before you film. Don't look in the magnifying mirror. Don't get out your acne tool. Did I listen to my own self? No, I did not. I'm full of regret. Do not pick your skin. It is the worst thing you can do to your poor, fragile skin. I'm full of regret. Did I say that twice? Hi, Ben. I let my skin breathe for a second. I'm not gonna pile a bunch of products on broken skin. It's not really broken skin. I was kind of just squeezing blackheads like a fool. I'm gonna start off with my Maybelline Meg Lume Elixir Serum. You guys know the drill. My poor little chinny chin chin. It was incredibly satisfying though, I'm not gonna lie. To lock in the serum, I'm going to use the Henrikson Truth C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I love the way this smells. I'm actually getting low on this. My skin is very hormonal right now. To prime, I'm gonna use the ColourPop All-Star Matte Blur and Primer. It's not my #1 fave, but I just moved my work area and I can't find half my shades. So this will do. It is nice. It's just not my favorite. I'm also going to use the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I'm going to use this shade Light 50 in this little sample guy because my tan has faded. My face still is a little bit lighter than the rest of my body, so I'm gonna try and match it to my arms, which are this color. Recently, I've been using the Pro 6F to buff out my foundation. I kind of go back and forth with my face brushes. I really like the way this one buffs this particular foundation out. This foundation goes a long way and I always use too much. I like those little sample bottles because it's harder to get it out of than the actual bottle. So I use a little bit less. One's pretty close, I think. To conceal, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in one of the new shades. This is Porcelain. And just buffing that out with a sponge. Next, with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in the shade Blaze, I'm gonna contour my cheekbones and I'm gonna use my foundation brush again. I like using my foundation brush to blend out my contour because when it has a little bit of foundation on it, kind of just mixes with the bronzer and makes it look really nice and blended. I'm gonna grab some right on the brush to do under my jaw. And stipple a little bit on the top of my forehead. Then with the Pro 4E, I'm gonna grab a little bit more and contour my nose. Just going straight down the sides, all the way from my eyebrow down to the end, and then connecting it under the tip. And then back in with the Porcelain concealer to add a little highlight. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Milk Blur and Set. I am obsessed with this powder. It's the best thing ever. It seems like it's hard to get out, but I have realized that if you put it upside down in the lid and you just spank its bottom, it comes out great. So just using my sponge and pressing it under my eyes, down the sides of my nose. Sharpen up that contour. And then everywhere else. I used to get so frustrated trying so many different kinds of translucent powder and then finding one that was good but not great. But now I feel like I was just holding out for the perfect one. I'm not mad anymore. Have you guys tried this powder yet? Please, let's chat about it in the comments. Next, I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer Satin Finish Bronzer in Bronze Babe. And I'm gonna go in and just bronze myself right up and also set the contour. I'm also gonna add a tiny bit of that to my nose contour. Let's put on some brows. I'm gonna use my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. And I'm just gonna go in and fake hairs. This pencil has the perfect tip for penciling in fake hair. If you wanted to pencil in a mustache, you could with this. Speaking of mustaches, I can't wait till you see what we've got planned for Halloween. That went well. That's a nice looking eyebrow. Next up, best brow product of 2018, the Milk Makeup Kush Fibre Brow Gel. FYI, this is not sponsored by Milk Makeup. I just love them. What can I say? Just gelling the hairs kind of up and over, really getting them looking juicy. Yes. No. Yay! For the eye look, we're gonna keep it simple because I don't have a lot of time. This has been kind of my quick go-to thing to do when I don't have a lot of time, but I still want my eyeballs to look cool. I've just been taking the same bronzer that I put on my face, Pro AE eyeshadow brush, and on she goes. Just slather it all over the lid. I bring it into the crease, and then I grab the Pro 7E, which is my favorite makeup brush in the world, and I just really blend it out so there's no lines, just a little bit of darkness. Throw a little bit more in there, a tiny bit down here, really close to the lash line. Again, just blending that out, keeping it really soft. Maybe we could call this a back to school look? Maybe not. It's a bit much. I wore quite a bit of makeup when I was in high school. Where my high school girls at? How much makeup do you wear to school? How much time do you spend on it in the morning? I am genuinely curious. I used to wake up at like 6 to get ready to be at school for like 8. I don't know, it was a long time ago. I graduated in 2007. You can keep it really light, or you can keep building on it and make it a little bit darker. It's super easy to blend. I think because it is a face product, it needs to be super blendable. And that's it. Works on any eye color. It takes like 2 seconds, and then you can add your liner, your lashes, and you're done. And highlighter. Don't forget highlighter. In fact, let's do highlighter now. I had been off this highlighter for a really long time, just kind of forgot about it, and then I was hanging out with Kate, and I was like, what highlighter is that? And it was Flexitarian, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot all about Flexitarian. It's so good. It's by Colourpop. I think I forgot to say that. I do find that you have to use kind of a dense brush or your finger because it's really squishy and creamy. I'm just gonna use my finger. Are you ready? I wasn't ready. I'm like, excuse me, flexitarian. I missed you. Where's my little baby brush? The Pro 3M is this little blunt blending brush, but it is the most incredible highlighting brush for your nose and your eyes. This is my favorite part of my whole makeup routine. If I don't have a little light bulb on the end of my nose, I don't even know who I am. Little bit down the center. And then we'll get a little bit of that popping under the brow. Inner corner, of course. Look at that. Did you just look at it? I also like to put a little bit kind of in the center of the lid. Right through the center, even up through the crease. Shiny. Does this not look just like absolutely face-tuned? No Photoshop in this video. I don't know if you can Photoshop a video. I think that's the wrong program. Anyways, you should all go by Flexitarian. I'm gonna add a wing because it's just what I like to do, but you could absolutely skip that with this look. Throw on some mascara. You could even skip lashes and this would be mad cute. But I'm gonna go in with my Fenty flyliner and add a big old wing. Just gonna sketch out where she goes. And then connect it to my lid. And then fill it all in. I'm going to magically reappear with another wing. Watch this. Hello. This one went badly. You may notice that they did get a little bit bigger. I don't care because we're gonna put on huge lashes. Like huge, big, massive. They're even called Power Pair. These are from the new Boldface Makeup Muse collection. You can use my code itslikelymakeup to save some money if you want some lashes. These are so reasonably priced and so fluffy and delicious. I just love them. Look at all the layers of fluff. While the glue is getting a little bit tacky, I'm going to put on my new favorite blush. It's all I've been using. This is Cali Dream by Milk Cosmetics. Peachy cuteness. A little bit on the nose. And our lash is ready. I'm gonna need more pairs of this lash. Yeah. Now I'll magically reappear with the other lash on. I'm sorry I'm being so lame. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna give these a second to get dry before I put on mascara. In the meantime, I'm gonna put on my Freckles with Freck. I love Freck. Freck loves me. We're a Freckle family. It is mascara time, but where's my mascara, you might ask? I found it. I'm going to use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. It is worth the hype. I really like it, especially for the price. Don't need a whole lot of it. Just want to cover up my very blonde eyelashes and put some on the bottom. We're getting crazy tonight. Bottom lashes. I don't even know who I am. I think I've said that twice in this video. I don't actually base my identity on my makeup, just FYI. Though it does help me express it. Now for the lips. You guys need to just back off a little bit. Introducing my current favorite lip combo. This is the Matte Anastasia lipstick. I think it's matte. What is this? Yes. Soft Touch. That's the color. And then on top, I like the Presidential Hank & Henry Luster Lip Gloss. This combo is bomb. This is just like a nice, light nude. At first I thought it was too light, but I think it looks really nice. Actually,
just a sec. Just rummaging.
What I'm looking for was not in there. But in here, there will be something. I'm looking for a lip liner. I think this would look really nice with a lip liner. This pencil case, you guys, is from Melt Cosmetics. And you can fit a lot in here. Let's try Love Note. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. That's the ticket. Oh, I slipped. This is Love Note from Melt. Welcome to my favorite combo. This, I don't think, maybe I won't put on gloss. I've been so into gloss lately, but this looks so nice. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna set my big face with my Milk Makeup Blur Spray, which I just started using. I really like this. The smell is a little bit weird. It smells kind of like cough medicine. But to be honest with you, I don't mind a little cough medicine. I got it in my hair. What do we think? I feel like I've done this look before on my channel. Sorry about it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a hoot, but now I must go. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really appreciate and love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I wasn't even resting my elbow on anything. My arm is just floating. I just thought this would look wholesome. Bye, guys.